Your audio kit contains everything you need for the recording. Set aside the headphones and the AC adapter. The rest of the equipment has been prepared for you. The Zoom recorder is connected to the microphone power box, and the microphone is connected to that. Plug the AC adapter into the bottom of the Zoom recorder next to where the audio cable is plugged in. Connect the headphones on the left side of the Zoom recorder. To turn on the Zoom recorder, slide the power button down and hold it there for a moment until you see it powering up. The screen will say "Now loading" while the device recognizes and validates the SD card. Once the "Now loading" indicator goes away, you're ready to record. The mic input is for the microphones on top of the Zoom recorder, but you're using an external microphone, so press the number 1 or 2 button to select that input. Clip the microphone to the interviewee just below the collarbone. This microphone clip can be rotated in any direction to allow for different types of clothing. When you're ready to record, press the red record button 1 time. The pause symbol will flash in the LCD screen, and the red record button will also flash. This is standby mode, which allows you to see the recording level on the device's LCD screen when the headphones are not connected. The recording level has been set for you with a control on the right side of the device, but if you need to adjust the headphone volume, that control is on the left side of the device. While in standby mode, press the red record button again to begin recording. You can tell it's recording because the numbers are advancing in the LCD screen. To stop the recording, press the stop button, which has a square on it. To turn the power off, slide the power button down just like you did when turning it on. Disconnect the headphones and the AC power adapter and place everything back in the box in the same way you received it.